Hello. Today, I will be walking you through the process of how to invite a member to your team. As an administrator for your program in CAREAPP, you can allow a colleague or staff to access your program card. To do this, you will first log into CAREAPP at hccareapp.org. Once logged in, you will click the My Program Tools button at the top of the site. If you do not see the My Program Tools header while logged into your account, this means that you are not the designated administrator for your program. The person that initiated your program will have to update your permissions through the same process we will walk through today. If you were able to locate the My Program Tools header, click the drop-down to access My Team. Once you have reached the My Teams page, locate the green button to the top right corner of the screen. Click Invite Team Member. A box will appear where you can enter the team member's first name, last name, and email address. After entering contact information, click the box to locate your program and select if you would like the desired permissions to be administrator or worker, and hit Send Invite. After sending the invite, your colleague will receive an email from support@findhelp.com that will claim and verify their account and confirm affiliation with the program. The email will further explain all tasks that are accessible upon verification as a worker. For example, they will have the ability to update program information, add and edit program location, review referrals received on the platform, screen applicants for availability, and view local search trends and assess the impact your program is having on the community. And the added ability, if designated as an administrator, would be to invite and manage team members that are listed in CAREAPP. From this My Teams page, you can see a complete list of those that you've invited to manage your program. Their specific designation as either a worker or administrator, if and when they've accepted the invite, and you can also have the invite sent again if need be. You can also make edits to their account information or deactivate them from your program account if staff is no longer associated with the program. Thank you for joining me to learn how to invite your team to CAREAPP.